What's the biggest dream that any online marketer has? Well, if you're like me, then the thing that you really want more than anything else is to be able to work once and make money over and over and over and over again. Now, of course, that sounds great. My cat is here. She thinks it's a great idea also. But reality is that it's not always possible to do that, right? Well, that is until now. Because I'm going to tell you about a brand new app that I just found called Manaka by my friend Ike Paz, and this thing is awesome. I'm going to show you right after this. Okay, we're looking right now at the sales page for Manaka Royal. This is from my friend Ike. Now, this is a piece of software that's designed basically to allow you to create um, game books, which are very popular on Amazon. People are constantly buying them. There's an unlimited market for these things because people constantly want to buy these things, and they're always buying more because they use them up, and then they want to buy more. And you can actually go ahead and do these game books in Kindle Direct Publishing and see the kind of money that can be made from these things. They're really, really easy to sell once you make them. The trouble, of course, is making them. It takes a lot of work to make these things, or at least it used to, until now. Because my buddy Ike has figured out a way to automate the whole process for you, and it even includes AI. And the best part, you don't need to have your own AI connection. You know, a lot of these AI things, basically what they do is they'll say, yeah, we'll use AI, but then you got to go and pay for, ChatGPT or for Google or whatever it is. You got to pay for the connection to the AI. This thing, there's no connection to pay for. You pay once and then you're done forever. You can use it for forever. That's really, really cool. But of course, you know me. You know that if I'm going to tell you about something, then I am not going to just tell you about something. I'm going to make sure that you are not going to buy a bunch of crap.
What a load of crap.
I see my cat doesn't like that, doesn't like crap either. She's really, really upset about the idea. And yeah, thank you very much. That's very nice. Okay, really, it's enough. You know, with the whole crap thing. It's very, but seriously, my cat really doesn't like the crap thing at all. She's very upset about it. So, but seriously, for those who don't know who I am, my name is Eric. I'm known as a man that. That's because I wear fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull most successfully. Well, me by Neil over here. Yeah. My cat is very upset with me for telling you all about these things. She wants the secrets kept to herself. She says, Daddy, you have to do this yourself. You can't tell other people about it. I say that you guys should know about it also. Anyway, but seriously. Now, okay, enough about all that kind of stuff. Bottom line, what I do here is I'm going to tell you how to make money online and how to be a successful entrepreneur.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. I mean, that's very kind of you. But let's get back to this, okay? Anyway, seriously. And of course, you know that if I'm going to tell you about something, I am not going to just tell you about something. I'm also going to give you the most insane bonuses you can possibly imagine ever getting. And boy, do I have a lot of bonuses to give you this time because I actually outdid myself. I've got a half a dozen brand new bonuses that I just created that you've never seen before. These are super cool bonuses. So let me go ahead and show you my bonuses for this thing. So the first one, this is really, really cool. So you can make pretty much any kind of artwork you want. Now I know you can do that with Midjourney. You can even do it with ChatGPT and stuff. This is a little bit different than Midjourney or ChatGPT. You can actually make things like a movie poster or a product mock-up. instantly. And it's really, really one of the most incredible things I've ever seen. This thing really takes it to the next level. And it does have a free tier, by the way, which is really, really cool. Actually, everything today has a free tier. And all of my courses today do come with full PLR rights. I mean, you can sell these, you can give them away, use them as your own bonus. But of course, we're not done yet. After all, this would not be a man to have video with just one bonus. Yes, they have a half a dozen of them to show you. So let's check out another one here. So this one is basically like having a visual effects studio living inside your browser. Basically, what it does is it kind of takes it to the next level of the first one and really can turn your image into something that makes it look like a luxury brand. Really, really cool stuff. Again, it does have a free level available, but we're still not done yet. This one I think is probably my favorite thing of all. This is a new AI system that I found that can actually take uh, um, a picture and turn it into an anime. You can see here a sample image. This I just had ChatGPT make me something. I told it what the thing actually is, but I've actually tested this thing. This is super cool. Basically, it takes you or anything else and turns it into an anime. So my cat, for example, could become an anime, which would be very, very cool. And she's very excited about that idea. So anyway, another one that uh, was really, really cool that I really love. This thing will take your longer videos. Like, for example, if I want to take this video and break it into shorter videos, it can actually take them and turn them into small little chunks that you can use for shorts. And that's really, really cool for making money from YouTube because the fact of the matter is that you need a ton of content on YouTube. So take your phone videos, turn them into shorts instantly. It does it really, really well. I've tested it. It works beautifully. Another one that we have here, this one I have actually, uh, I love this thing. I use it a lot. This is a video creator. Now, there are several video creators, of course. ChatGPT has one built in, Gemini has one built in. Both of those cost extra though to use. The nice thing about this thing, you can get a lot of videos done completely for free. I did it myself. And one of the nice things is that it's able to really keep consistency between videos. So I actually used it, and this is probably going to be another course I'm going to be putting together. I actually used this thing to create a series of videos, which I was able to stitch together into a music video. And again, it's able to really very consistently keep the same person, the same images again and again and again, which is really cool. And again, it has a free tier, which I was able to do dozens of videos on the free tier without paying a penny for it. Which, if you go to, for example, Gemini, and you want to generate videos, you get to make 3 videos a day, and that's if you pay for it. If you don't pay for it, you don't get to make any video. Period. It will not allow you to make a single video for free. This thing lets you make dozens of them for free. So really, really a cool thing. And the final thing, this one is kind of like a data analyst. Basically, what you can do is you can take spreadsheets. So for example, if you want to take your affiliate stats from Warrior Plus and say, hey, what am I best converting uh, um, uh, products on Warrior Plus? You can actually feed it into this thing, feed your database into this thing, and it's actually going to tell you, hey, this is what works well, this is what doesn't work well, this is what you should be doing, should be focusing on, this is what you should not be focusing on. Super simple to use, very, very interesting, really, really cool stuff. And again, you're going to get PLR to all 6 of these courses. They're all laid out in the bonus sheet that you're going to be getting from me. Every single one of them is explained in great detail. And the nice thing is that I've done them in a way you can actually cut and paste these things into your own bonuses and give them away as your own bonuses. I really tried to design it in a way that made it very, very intuitive, that would make it very easy for you to say to give them away because I didn't say, okay, well, here's this thing and go ahead and check it out. Which a lot of people will do with a bonus. I actually really try to give you something that would really go into detail why it's great, what you can use it for in Warrior Plus, what makes it such a special bonus. That's something that you really don't see a lot of from Warrior Plus bonuses, and that I really wanted to push that hard. And I spent a lot of time working on this. Yes, I did use AI to help me with it, but I also put a lot of my own time into it. So it's not the sort of thing where I went and typed in a prompt and 5 minutes later I had a bonus. This really did take quite a bit of time to put it together to make sure that you had the kind of bonuses that really pop, because you know that if I'm giving it to you and I'm giving you quality bonuses. So let's go ahead and check out the actual software they're going to be getting. So here it is. This is the Manaka royalty. You can see here you got a crossword generator, cryptograms, Sudoku generator, a maze generator, word scramble, word search generator. And again, these are things that people are buying all the time on Kindle. Okay, people constantly want to get these things. They constantly want to play these games. People buy them for their kids all the time. It's a really, really cool thing to have. And you're going to get unlimited access to every single one of these things. Once you get into the members area, you simply click launch on the app, and it's automatically going to take you in. So, for example, you have the crosswords. You see here, they actually have either you can go ahead and put in your own ideas, or you can use the AI and just tell it what you want the crossword to actually be about, which I think is really, really cool because you do not have to pay extra for the AI. Again, most things that use AI these days, you do have to pay extra for the AI credits because the fact of the matter is that you have to that it costs them money. Ike has done something that I think is ridiculous. He's actually gone ahead and said, okay, you know what? I'm going to give you access to the AI for free so you can go ahead and use this as much as you like, generate as much as you like, and you never pay a penny for it. And Ike has been in the business for 10, 15 years now. So he's not going anywhere. This is the kind of thing that really sets this apart and makes this such an incredible deal. And there are a couple of upgrade options available here as well. So you can see here, the Crow version has cross math dot to dot puzzle generator, Kakuru, which I'm not sure what Kakuru is, but you can play with that. You have time to look at every single one of these things. And then they have the Elite apps, which are included as well. And finally, they have the Ultima section as well. That is also going to be included with your package if you were to purchase the Ultimate. There's only a few upgrades. It's not, an endless parade of upgrades that you go through 15 different things. There's only 3 levels of upgrades. Really, really worth picking up some of these upgrades, I think, because they're really, really some nice stuff that are going to give you a lot of additional benefits that you're not going to get. But even just the basic thing, again, for your $27 one-time purchase, you get access to a half a dozen different things here that are really, really going to pop. And of course, you're going to get a half a dozen bonuses directly from me that are going to pop for you as well, which again, these are all brand new, by the way. I've never given these away before. I just made all these bonuses and really, really incredible stuff. So let's see if I can formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you demand. This is awesome. I love this. This is a great idea. I am very excited about it. My cat is very excited about it. The guy behind me with the hat, he would be tipping his hat if he wasn't painting. The other guy, he's blowing his horn. And the lady behind me, well, if she wasn't a statue, she would be also very, very excited. She'd be smiling and saying, "Yeah, go for this. This is great. You're going to love this."